I'd like to show you a rectangular version with the Origami Finish gift wrapping with a hidden message card. Using the box horizontally, the paper 2/3 of the bottom height, a little over the top height. Make sure the paper covers the box. With this end, fold down a little bit to make the clean edge. Cover the box, then cut the extra paper out of the left side of the paper. Close at the center of the back of the box. Make crease marks at 4 corners. Once release the box, fold the 4 corners horizontally and completely using the crease marks. Put back the box, then close at the back of the box with the right side on top for any happy occasions as the Japanese traditional wrapping way. Put the double-sided tape, close it tightly. For a deep box, press down the top paper, then fold in the end, the both sides. Make clean crease. Pull up the bottom tab, fold a little at the corner of the triangle, then close with a double-sided tape. Make the clean crease each 4 corners again. Align the front and the back creases like a brown paper bag. Make sure to hold at the center of the side. Fold aligned with the edge of the front paper and the back paper. Push down the flap to the front and the back. Close the top part of the seam of the paper with a double-sided tape. Fold the top of the flap at the corner of the box, then cut off the extra part. Open the both sides until the end. Open the top part completely. Make the edge of the both sides meet the corners of the box. You can fold toward either counterclockwise or clockwise. Let's make this counterclockwise. Fold this point with this point. Fold this part along the direction before the next fold. Then fold this point with this point. Then fold this point with this point. Again, fold this part along the direction before the next fold. Fold this flap inward and open the first fold together. Fold along this point and the corner point. Then put back the first fold. It's done. Just for your information, this is originally for a square box, so it would be a little easier and cleaner than rectangular. But if you open the top, you can get the rectangular space here. With leftover paper, you can make a message card that fits in this space. While measuring the size, fold it to the approximate size and cut the paper. Then fold it in half. Adjust the size and cut until it fits in the space. Use any white paper to create the internal writing area. Cut the white paper to the approximate size. Fold it in half, then adjust and cut it a little smaller than the other card. Glue it down only in the center. Write your message. Place it in the rectangular space, then fold and close the top. Find the message card when the recipient opens the top. You can use any paper to make the card. I hope you like this unique wrapping.